Hi, thanks for joining. In this video, we'll show a new feature that helps create all the relationships in the data model with a few simple clicks. In previous videos, we've shown how to create relationships for concepts individually. Before we begin, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I recommend you watch them in addition to this one, so you can learn more about the different types of relationships, as well as which type of relationship to use for different scenarios. So let's begin. We'll start in the Ontology Explorer, where we will use a supply chain data model for this tutorial. We can see the different concepts this model has, such as customer, order, product, shipment, and so on. To create multiple relationships at once, we'll click on Create and choose Relationships. In the wizard that slides in, we have two options. The first option in the top right of the window is to ask Timber to automatically search for relationships in the data model. The second option is clicking on Add New Relationship and defining the relationship we'd like by filling in the information. We can see the form is very similar to the relationship creation for a single concept. We need to choose the source and target concepts, write the semantic name of the relationship, including the inverse name, which will be presented when looking from the target concept to the source concept, and finally, we'd match a property from our source concept with a property from our target concept. You can also define for each relationship whether it will be a one-to-many or many-to-many relationship, and also whether you'd like to make it a recursive relationship or not. However, in this video, we are here to focus on the bulk creation of relationships. Therefore, we'll use the Find Relationships function. When clicked on, in the window that appears, we can see all the possible relationships that Timber offers between the concepts in the data model. On the left column, we can see a list of concepts. These are the source concepts, which our relationship will originate from. In the center column, we can see the relationship name. And in the right column, we see the target concepts that the relationship is connected to. Let's go ahead and choose relationships. And we'll continue to the next step. Now, we see the list of the selected relationships. And in every relationship, we can click on the small arrow on the top left to open the relationship and change the names, the properties, and the type of relationship. You can also delete a relationship that's not necessary by clicking on the trash can to the right of the relationship. So for example, if we are creating a relationship from shipment to order, and it's called has order, it may make more sense to our users if the relationship was of order instead. Once we've finished reviewing all the information of the relationships, we can go ahead and click on Save to save and create the relationships. And there we have it. All the relationships were created at once. Just like that, in a matter of minutes, we were able to create relationships for the entire model without having to write a single line of code, create a view, or write any query with join or union statements. Timber takes care of all of that behind the scenes. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will enjoy this new feature as well. I invite you to check out additional tutorial videos to learn how to make the best use of the Timber platform. We'll see you in our next videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.